Hi everyone, welcome to the demo of ChatRoom. This application is mainly for supporting user register and sign in the ChatRoom. Once they sign in, they can chat with each other in real time, and the chat message and user information will be stored in the database, which is MySQL. And after they leave the room and re-enter the room, the formal message will show up in the screen. Let's begin sign up process. If we leave some field empty and sign up, we can see the error notation will show in the page. Let's do the correct way. User test, user, user test, the user, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's sign up. After we sign up, we'll be rendered to the sign in page, and if we type the error password, that will give us some similar notation, and let's enter. After we enter, we can see some former user posted the message here, and let's post a new message, hi world, and we can see the username and the post time we show the screen. And let's see how different users talk with each other in real time. Or we open another browser and user 1, 1, 2, 3, let's sign in. Okay, user 1 come here and we'll post some message. Good. Haha. And user test. Hi. Okay. After user test leaves the chat, we can see the user 1 will be the screen will show the same some message to show that, and user test can re-enter and see the formal message. Okay, here's the demo of how application works, and let's see the code. I use Express Framework and AJS View Engine to render HTML file and parameter. There's some setting, and I use Redis to store the session, and we listen to 3000 port. And here's the routine to route the login, register, and leave message. To make different users communicate with each other in real time, I use Socket.io to support that, and there's a code show how Socket.io will be built, and um, I let server to listen to different socket channel, like chat message and leave message. As for user information and message, I built two different models, which is user model and message model, and I store them into database MySQL. Here's the basic configure about MySQL and field of user model. We can see I write SQL syntax to execute some to store them into database and do some basic check, like whether user existed or user's password match the input password. Similar as the message model, I store users post HTML message into the database directory. And in the front end, the most important thing is about build the socket with the backend. And I import chat.js in the chat room. Besides that, I created 3 different HTML files, you can see. And I use materialized CSS library and write my own CSS library here, which is FSE CSS. As for the front-end JS file, I built socket connection and to communicate with the backend here and also record the date and try to modify the HTML page here. Okay, and let's see how our database stores the data here. And I write MySQL. Let's retrieve some data. Here's the user information, and oh, sorry, here's the message. That's the process how my application works. Thanks for watching.